World and Olympic champion Omar McLeod produced a world-leading effort to be the lone Jamaican winner at the Shanghai Diamond League meet in China on Saturday. There were also second-place finishes for two other Jamaican athletes.
Well, certainly Eric Merritt going well. And so is McLeod at the moment. Shubenkov coming through strongly at the moment. The rest out of it. McLeod coming through, and on the near side is Ortega. McLeod gets it, Ortega second, and in third place was Shubenkov.
McLeod, who was contesting his first 110 meters hurdles race of the year, sped to a world-leading 13.16 seconds to win the event at the Shanghai Diamond League for the third straight year. McLeod pipped arch-rival Orlando Ortega of Spain, who did 13.17, while fellow Jamaicans Ronald Levy and Hanson Parchment were 4th and 5th respectively in times of 13.33 and 13.44 seconds. Commonwealth Games champion Genevieve Russell ran a stout race and a personal best 53.78 seconds, taking the runner-up spot in the women's 400 meters hurdles. The event was won by the Olympic champion Dalila Muhammad of the United States in 53.77 seconds, a mere 100th of a second faster than Russell.
Muhammad leading. Into second place is Russell. Russell looking very strong now. It's going to be very tight, and Russell's moving ahead. Mohammed now, or can she take it back again? Mohammed is going to get it, is she? Yes, he does, just by a whisker, with Watson in third place.
Other Jamaican who contested the event, Leah Nugent, was 6th in 56.64 seconds. There was a third place finish for Sharika Jackson in the women's 200 meters, where she posted 22.36 seconds. The event went to Commonwealth Games champion Milla Weber of the Bahamas in a meet record and a season's best 22.06 seconds.
Here they come. Also coming through is Sharika Jackson, but Milla Weber looking effortless over the 200 meters, getting stronger and stronger and stronger. My word, that was a walk in the park, a stroll in Shanghai for Milla Weber, 22.06.
Elsewhere, there was also a runner-up spot for Shaniqua Rickets in the women's triple jump, where she cut the sand at 14.55 meters. Compatriot and Commonwealth Games champion Kimberly Williams finished third in 14.35 meters. The event went to Olympic champion Catherine Ibarguen of Colombia, who leapt 14.80 meters. Commonwealth Games champion Daniel Thomas Dodd also had a second place finish after throwing 18.70 meters in the women's shot put, won by China's Zhang Liao in a world-leading 19.99 meters. The third meet in the 2018 Diamond League Series is set for Eugene, Oregon on May 26.